soft and nice. Look at that. Nice and soft. Welcome back, goodies. Today your girl is going to be making some festival. Yeah man, some real authentic Jamaican festival. So here in my bowl here I have 5 cups of flour, and I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I'm going to use like half teaspoon of salt. Just want a pinch of salt in there. And we're gonna knead up our flour. So let us add our sugar, our baking powder, 1 tablespoon, and a pinch of salt. Not much salt, just a pinch. Okay, and then we're gonna mix everything, combine everything. Okay, so I ended up added another tablespoon of baking powder, and you can add like 1/4 cup of cornmeal if you like, but I don't like too much cornmeal in my festival. So I'm gonna knead the flour now with some water, and I'm just going in with the water little by little and knead this up. If you have a mixer, like a countertop mixer, you can use it to knead your flour. I would just go in the real Jamaican way and knead up our flour. Just add the water gradually. Okay, so I knead up the flour. I use less than 2 cups of water to knead the flour. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cover it down with a damp napkin. Yes, and I'm going to leave this just for like 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, goodies, so we're gonna move the napkin now, and this is what we have. So you just want to give this another knead. So just knead it for about 3 to 4 more minutes, and then we're gonna start roll them and fry them. All right, so I'm gonna finish kneading the flour again. So we're gonna start the rolling process. So you can make these any size you like. Okay, so this is how I'm making them. So just roll out the flour, and then you can just press down on it a little bit. So this is the size I'm using. Here I have some oil in the pot. You want to use a nice thick pot with a lot of oil. So I'm just going to put my first festival in. So I'm just going to continue putting them in, and then I'm going to turn them over. When one side is nice and golden, you want to turn it over. There it is. I've added the amount that my pot can hold, and as you see, I already turned some of them, but I'm going to keep on flipping them until I get a nice gold color on both sides. So I'll show you the final result for the first set, and then we're going to continue frying the rest of them like this. So this is the progress so far. They're almost ready. The other side is getting the nice brown color. As you can see, this side is nice and golden. So I'm going to take these out, and then we're going to fry the other set. So here is the first set, nice and beautiful. As you can see, we have 7 from the first batch, and this is the amount of flour I have left. You want to make sure that you keep your flour covered so it doesn't crust. So keep it covered with the wet napkin. So we are going to fry the rest of them. Okay, goodies, this is it. This is the final result. See, they're looking so beautiful. Look at them. Yes, yes, yes. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not done so as yet, leave a comment. Until next time, goodies, walk good. Soft and nice. Look at that. Nice and soft.